So do you also use FlexiFunnels to sell your products and services online? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Connect, and in this video we are going to understand how to create a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing on FlexiFunnels purchase. So over here I'm running an edutech company and we sell our courses online with the help of FlexiFunnels. So now what I want is that as soon as someone purchases my course with the help of FlexiFunnels, automatically that same customer should be added into my Pabbly email marketing list too. That too without any manual efforts, so that we can create targeted email marketing campaigns for all of my customers. So to do this, we are simply going to create a connection between FlexiFunnels and Pabbly email marketing. To create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing automation software. So do you also want to create this automation for your business? Then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically add a subscriber to Pabbly email marketing whenever a customer makes a purchase on FlexiFunnels. So this automation helps you build your email list effortlessly, ensuring timely follow-ups and better engagement with your audience. So let's get started. So to do this, I've simply opened the landing page of Pabbly by searching pabbly.com/connect in my browser. It is very easy, and as soon as we're going to open the landing page of Pabbly, we are going to get two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of hours free every month to explore the application. But over here, I'm an existing user, so I'm just going to click on this sign in. And now it is opening all Pabbly apps, and over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we are connecting different applications. So I'm just going to click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Connect account. And as soon as we're going to click on this access now, it is opening my dashboard. And to start with this automation, we are just going to click on this button which says create workflow. And now it is asking me for the workflow name and the folder I want to save the workflow in. So over here I want to save the workflow in this folder which is automations, and I want to name my workflow as how to create subscriber in Pabbly email marketing on FlexiFunnels purchase. FlexiFunnels to Pabbly email marketing, and then we just have to click on this create. And now it is opening the most important window of our automation, which is our workflow window. So this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. So trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow will run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the actions are response towards the commands given by our trigger, and that's the reason that we can have only a single trigger but multiple actions following the commands of our trigger in a particular workflow. Alright, so to start with our automation, we have to select our trigger application, and for my trigger application I'm just going to select it as FlexiFunnels. So I'm just going to search for FlexiFunnels over here, and as you can see the same, so we're going to select it. And now it is asking me for the trigger event. So basically trigger event is the event on which the workflow will start. So over here what I want is that as soon as a new purchase is made in my FlexiFunnels account, automatically my workflow should be triggered or started. So I'm just going to select my trigger event as new purchase, and now it is giving me a webhook URL. So we are going to use this same webhook URL in order to create a connection between our FlexiFunnels account and our Pabbly Connect's workflow. So what we have to do is, first I'm just going to copy this webhook URL, and then we have to follow this help text, and it is saying log into your FlexiFunnels account, click on the product, create a product whether it's a membership or a digital, go to set rules, click on set product rules, and the drop down select use. Alright, we're going to follow the same. I'm just going to put my FlexiFunnels account, and over here you can see all the products which I've already created, but I want to create this automation for this product which is PHP programming. Alright, so I'm just going to go towards the edit of this product, but over here you can see that if you want to create a new product, you can go towards this create new product, create it a digital or a membership one. Alright, I'm just going to use this. I'm just going to go towards the edit of the product I want to create this automation for, and now from the left side of the bar we have to go towards set rules, and now we have to click on this add product rules over here, and now it is asking me for when. So for when we have to select product is purchased for all pricing options, and for use we have to select it as webhook, and now it is asking me for the webhook name. So let's say that I'm just going to name my webhook as new subscriber. So I'm just going to enter it, and after entering this webhook name, we are just going to paste the webhook URL which we copied from our workflow over here in this webhook URL field. And after entering all of these details, we just have to click on this save. And as soon as we're going to click on this save, yes, you can see successfully added. So yes, with this we have successfully added the webhook URL into our FlexiFunnels account, and with this we have successfully created a connection between our FlexiFunnels account and our Pabbly Connect's workflow. But now it is saying waiting for a webhook response, and in the notes it is saying do a test submission / record. So in order to capture this webhook response, we have to do a test submission or record. So what we have to do is, I'm just going to open the page. Over here you can see that I'm just going to purchase this PHP programming course as dummy user. Alright, so for the first name I'm just going to keep it as demo, last name as user, you can see the email address, and now for the phone number I'm going to keep it as this. We're going to move on forward. You can see for the address I want it to be this. I'm just going to enter my card details over here. Alright, I'm just going to enter the zip code and click on this complete order button. And as soon as we're going to click on this complete order button, with this we have successfully purchased this course as demo user. Yes, you can see thank you for your purchase, your order was successful. So now what has happened is that FlexiFunnels has sent the details of a test submission to our workflow, and yes, over here you can see that Pabbly has captured the response. You can see all the details which we entered. You can see the first name, the last name, the phone, the email, and all the details which we have entered. You can see the address, the city, and the rest of the details too, exactly the same which we entered in our test submission. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our trigger step, and now what will happen is that as soon as a new purchase is made through my FlexiFunnels account, automatically this workflow is going to get triggered and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same. Alright, we are going to move on forward towards our action step. What I want is, I want to create a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing on FlexiFunnels purchase. So for my action application, I'm just going to select it as Pabbly email marketing. So I'm just going to search for Pabbly email marketing, and as you can see the same, so we're going to select it. Now for the action event, I'm just going to select it as add subscribers and click on this connect. And now it is asking me to add a new connection or select an existing connection. So if you have already connected your Pabbly email marketing account with your Pabbly Connect's workflow, you can click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection, and now it is asking me for this token. And to get this token, we have to follow the help text, and it is saying to obtain the bearer token, log into your Pabbly email marketing account, navigate to the integration section, and then click on the developer API and copy the bearer token. So over here you can see there is a hyperlink of developer API section directly. So I'm just going to open this hyperlink right over here, and yes, over here you can see that this is my bearer token. So it has directly redirected me to the integration section of my Pabbly email marketing account directly to my bearer token. So I'm just going to copy this bearer token, and then we just have to paste it right over here. So it was really easy because I've already logged in my Pabbly email marketing account prior of starting with this automation. So it is always advised to log in your applications before starting with the automation. It makes the procedure easy. And after pasting this bearer token, we just have to click on this save. And yes, you can see that with this we have successfully connected our Pabbly email marketing account with our Pabbly Connect's workflow. And now it is asking me for the list. In which list do I want to add the subscriber? So over here I'm just going to select my list as this only, because this is the same list I want to create this automation for. You have to select your list for which you want to create this automation. And now it is asking me for the email and the name. Alright, so we're just going to enter the email and the name of our customer right over here. Alright, so I'm just going to enter the email first, but we are not going to enter it manually or by copy pasting it, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And as you know, our previous step was the trigger step where we selected FlexiFunnels as our trigger application. So we are just going to map the details from the response of our trigger application only, and as soon as we're going to map these details, automatically my details will turn dynamic and change with every new response received. So with here I'm going to give you an example that it is asking me for the email, right? So let's see that I'm just going to enter the email right over here manually by typing it like this. Then this will not change with every new response received because this is static information and I've entered it manually. But let's say that we're going to map this from the previous response. So I'm just going to erase this and map it from the previous response. So I'm just going to look for email in the previous response and map it. Then this will definitely change because my previous response will also change. So that's why we do mapping right over here to run our workflow in real time. And as we map the email, we're going to map the name too. I'm just going to look for name, and as you can see, first name, so we're going to map it, put a space and then the last name. And after mapping both of these details, we just have to click on this save and send test request. And as soon as we're going to do so, yes, you can see success, list updated successfully. So yes, now I'm just going to open my Pabbly email marketing account and check for the new subscriber created. So I'm just going to open my Pabbly email marketing account, and now from the left side of the bar we have to go towards this subscribers section in order to check for the new subscriber created. And yes, over here you can see a new subscriber created, email demoUser@pabblytunes.com, and for the name demo user. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. But I'll just test this workflow once, and this time I'm going to give you a real-time example. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do the test submission with the new details over here in order to check that if a new subscriber gets created in my Pabbly email marketing account in real time or not. So as you can see that I've entered all of my details, and now I'm just going to enter my card details and do the test submission. Alright, so I'm just going to enter my card details too and do the test submission. For that, I'm just going to click on this complete order, and as soon as we're just going to click on this complete order, yes, with this we have successfully purchased this course as test user. So now I'm just going to open my Pabbly email marketing account and refresh this subscribers page. Alright, and as soon as we're going to refresh this subscribers page, yes, you can see a new subscriber has been added in my list too. You can see the same email which we entered in our test submission and the same which we entered in our test submission. So yes, you can see that this workflow is perfectly running fine in real time too, and the subscriber got created in seconds without any manual efforts. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow, and now what will happen is that as soon as a new purchase is made in my FlexiFunnels account, automatically a new subscriber would be added into my Pabbly email marketing account with the same details. So yes, this was it for the video, and if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. And for your reference, I'll just clone this workflow and share the workflow link in the description box so that you can access my workflow. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can integrate many more applications. So if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find our videos helpful, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.